All right, if you need something great to make with leftover chicken, I'm gonna show you how to make my mother's world famous cashew chicken salad. It is so good. A little bit different, but you're gonna like it. All right, we got a family to feed. Let's cook. Hey, we're making one of the easiest and fastest chicken salads you will ever come across. It's also one of the most delicious. It's a little bit different. It's the way my mother made it when I was growing up, and so I adore it. So I'm gonna go through this real quick and show you our ingredients. So here I've got 4 cups of leftover roast chicken. Oh, there we go, that's better. And over here I've got how we're gonna dress this up. So about 1.5 cups of green seedless grapes. This was about 3 green onions that I minced up with the tops. It's about 1 cup of cashews that I chopped up. There's 2 teaspoons of kosher salt under here, but I covered it up with my red onion. I've got about 1 teaspoon of freshly cracked black pepper, 1/2 of a red onion that I diced up, and 1 stalk of celery, again, that I diced up. That's a lot of dicing. Actually, it only took me about 5 minutes, so I mean, this is when I say this is fast and simple, I ain't kidding. All right, so everything is in this bowl. And then you have to have something to bind with. You can use half sour cream if you want to. I love using sour cream. I'm not gonna go dig it out of my refrigerator. And then I do have about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise that I'm going to put in here. That's about all that's in this jar, isn't it? Shit, I was calling it close. If you'd like to, you can do a couple other things if you feel like you wish. One of them is you can dice up water chestnuts. I adore water chestnuts in chicken salad. I think it's just delicious. You can also dice up a little bit of tarragon. Not dice, mince. So I would use a teaspoon or 2 of fresh tarragon. Mince that up if you have some. My mother used to make chicken salad with fresh tarragon. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah! I forgot about this. I was in a cooking competition, about 4 years ago now. And I made this chicken salad for that. And people loved it. Loved it. I went on to the next level. Okay, so here we go. That's all there is to it. Love chicken salad. This is my favorite thing to do with leftover chicken. I will either make chicken and dumplings, chicken noodle soup, or my mother's chicken salad. See how nice that is? Wow, y'all. That is how you make chicken salad. That's good.